Hello students, now today we will discuss about the topic speed and velocity. Students, in this lecture we will discuss about definitions, units and its types. Okay. Now, first of all we will start from definition of speed. Students, the rate of change of distance of any body with time is said to be speed. Okay. The rate of change of distance with time, okay, is said to be speed. So we have speed equals distance upon time. Okay. Now, what is SI unit of speed? Students, we have SI unit of distance is meter. Okay. SI unit of distance is meter and SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of speed will be meter per second. Okay. Now, in CGS system, the CGS unit of distance is centimeter. Okay, and CGS unit of time is second. So we can say CGS unit of speed will be centimeter per second. Okay. Now, in speed we have only magnitude, okay, and there is no information about direction. So speed is a scalar quantity. We have only information about magnitude. So speed is a scalar quantity. Now, what is uniform speed, what is non-uniform speed, instantaneous speed, and in last what is average speed. Students, first of all we will start from uniform. Uniform is equal interval of time, equal distances in equal interval of time. Okay, if any body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then speed is said to be uniform. Okay, for example, motion of car on a frictionless surface. Now, next, uniform. Okay, sorry, non-uniform. Non-uniform is also known as variable. Okay, variable speed. So it means there is variation in speed. Now, if any body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, okay, or you can say if any body covers equal distances in unequal interval of time, then speed is said to be non-uniform. For example, motion of car on a rough surface. अगर हम रफ सरफेस की बात करेंगे तो मोशन ऑफ कार क्या होगा, वो इसकी जो स्पीड होगी वो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म होगी. नाउ, इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड. स्टूडेंट, if any body moves with variable speed, then speed of body at any instant, okay, speed at any instant. If any body moves with variable speed, okay, then speed of body at any instant is known as instantaneous speed. Okay. Now, what is average speed? Average means mean. So average speed is ratio of total distance traveled by body to total time taken by body. Okay, it means if any body covers some distances, okay, in a particular time interval of time, then total distance traveled by body divided by total time taken gives average speed. Okay. Now, what is velocity? Students, the rate of change of displacement of any body, okay, is called velocity. The rate of change of displacement, okay, it means displacement upon time. Okay. Now, the rate of change of displacement of any body, okay, is called velocity. Now we have velocity equals displacement upon time. So SI unit of velocity. Actually, SI unit of displacement will be meter. So meter, we can write meter, and SI unit of time will be second. So we can write SI unit of velocity meter per second. Okay, and in CGS system, CGS unit of velocity will be centimeter per second. Okay, now student, if anybody moves with some speed, if anybody moves with some speed in a particular direction, then speed of body is said to be velocity. Okay, अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कि कोई बॉडी मूव कर रहा है किसी पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में, तो जो इसकी स्पीड है वही क्या एक्चुअली वेलोसिटी है. ठीक है, बट स्पीड में क्या था कि बॉडी मूव कर रहा है, वी हैव नो इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट डायरेक्शन. सो इन केस ऑफ वेलोसिटी वी हैव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मैग्नीट्यूड, मतलब वो कितना है स्पीड, देन आल्सो डायरेक्शन. सो velocity is a vector quantity. Okay, but in speed we have only information about magnitude, so scalar quantity. Now what is uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, instantaneous and average velocity? Student, if any body covers equal distances in equal interval of time in a particular direction, in a specific direction, then velocity is said to be uniform. मतलब ये कि किसी बॉडी का अगर डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है, कोई बॉडी मूव कर रहा है किसी पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में, एक फिक्स डायरेक्शन में, तो फिर उसकी जो स्पीड होगी क्या होगी, वही यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी हो जाएगी. ओके, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी इट मीन्स if anybody covers unequal distances in equal interval of time in a specific direction, then speed is said to be velocity is said to be non-uniform velocity. Okay, now what is instantaneous velocity? Students, if anybody moves with variable velocity, then velocity of body at any instant is said to be instantaneous velocity. मतलब अगर कोई बॉडी किसी फिक्स डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है, तो किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे अगर हम स्पीड चेक करें, उसकी वेलोसिटी चेक करें वो कितना है, दैट इज नोन एज इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज एवरेज वेलोसिटी? नाउ इफ एनी बॉडी मूव्स covers some displacement, okay, then in a particular direction, then average velocity is defined as the ratio of total displacement by body to total time taken by body. Okay, so ratio of total displacement to total time taken by body is said to be average velocity. Okay, thank you.